Hey friends, if you wish to install and use XPS Viewer on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now here's the interesting thing. Whenever you encounter an XPS file, I'll show you that this one is an XPS file. XPS document extension is .xps. People are advised to use the XPS Viewer to view it, and then the question is, where do we download it from? Now we won't find it on the Microsoft Store. I'll show you. XPS Viewer. No, it's not on the Microsoft Store. So the reason is that this software is already on the system. We didn't know about it because you don't use it much. We have the XPS viewer on a system already, and if you double click on this file, it will automatically open in the XPS viewer. So we do not need to install it specifically, but if you really want to install something for this, then we have the Reader app by Microsoft itself. Simply click on get and then you can use this app to view XPS files. But honestly, the software is not needed. I have personally used the XPS viewer, and if by chance you don't find it, right click on it, open, choose another app, XPS viewer, and then always open it with the XPS viewer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.